Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the shortcut on your Chrome toolbar when using Chrome on your mobile device. This simple adjustment can help you enjoy a cleaner browsing experience and make your app's interface look more organized. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your mobile phone. Take a moment to make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome updates. Sometimes change the layout a bit, but the steps remain mostly the same. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top or bottom of the screen where you can see 3 vertical dots. These dots represent the menu button. Go ahead and tap it. A menu will appear with different options related to your browsing preferences and app settings. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. This section allows you to customize your Chrome experience, adjust privacy settings, manage sync options, and change how certain tools behave. Inside the Settings screen, scroll until you find Toolbar Shortcut. This option is responsible for the extra icon or shortcut that appears directly on your Chrome toolbar. For many users, it shows quick access features like sharing pages or recent tabs, but if you find it unnecessary or you simply want a minimalist look, you can easily turn it off. Tap on Toolbar Shortcut. Then you'll see a toggle switch positioned beside it. If the toggle is turned on, the shortcut icon will show on your toolbar. To disable it, simply tap the toggle so it moves to the off position. That's it. Once you've done that, the shortcut will disappear from your Chrome toolbar.